Whether you're selling your home or planning on staying in your home, knowing your home's value is a very important part in the home ownership process. Georgia Perimeter Homes has made it easy for you. Just go to our website at georgiaperimeterhomes.com and click on Home Valuation Request. Type in your address and hit enter. The way this helps you is you'll be able to go in. Once we retrieve your manual valuation, we'll get in touch with you and let you know exactly what it looks like. If you're selling your home, of course, this is common sense. This is going to really help you know how to proceed to get top dollar for your home in the market. But if you're staying in your home, it's even more important because should you need money, whether it be to refinance, spend it on your business, do upgrades on your house, or life changes, and sometimes we just need money. This is going to really help you know how much you should have in equity to be able to decide whether you should refinance and do a cash out refinance or maybe a second mortgage to pull out some money to do what you and your family wish to do. Anything we can do to help, please check out our website at georgiaperimeterhomes.com and check it out. Type in your address to check your value and we'll get right with you.